Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about the best bank account bonuses and updates for the month of May 2024. Crazy how fast this year is going. Talking about get paid to shop, save, spend, invest, and free direct deposit. Huge payouts, over $5,000 in nationwide offers if you take advantage of everything in this video. And this is going to be something a little bit different than what I usually do, so I think it's going to be much better. So before we jump into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I'm a customer of all the companies' products mentioned in this video. I'm not affiliated or endorsed by any of the banks mentioned in this video. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. The information in this video is current as of time of recording. Use of this information is at your own risk. Does not mean you're going to get approved. This is called fishing and not catching, and as is everything in life, your mileage may vary. So, quick pop quiz from the high school math teacher. Why do people get paid? Well, people get paid to solve problems. If you solve little problems in life, you're going to make little money. If you solve bigger problems, you're going to make bigger money. Well, question is, what problems do banks have? Well, they need new customers and are willing to pay nicely to get them. That's why these videos are around. These are very profitable videos. How profitable? Well, I do have a $4 million goal for the year 2024. I want to see at least 1,000 people make at least $4,000 off these videos. If you can appreciate the profitable content on a consistent basis, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. And if you appreciate the new level or new type of content I'm doing in this video, thumbs up as well. Appreciate it. All right, so if you profit from this content, I only ask one thing. Please use the referral links as one hand washes the other in this fun and profitable game. Definitely appreciate that. All right, so I say this is an update video, and I generally, in these update videos, I do once per month because not everybody has time to watch every video. So I do include some of the best ones out there. I do typically include generic updates, but I want to make this a more specific update video to share data points with those playing this fun and profitable game, as I call it. So this has been a very profitable month for me and hopefully for you as well, and in no particular order. So I got a customer referral link for my favorite online investing platform that is backed by real estate, and that is Groundfloor. So Groundfloor gave me a custom link. So instead of random letters and numbers in the back, it says BABC, Bank Account Bonus Central 2024. So if you haven't checked out what Groundfloor has to offer, you're definitely missing out. So referral link is here. We have a QR code, link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at Churning Adventures. What happens when you click on that link? You'll see welcome. John has invited you to Groundfloor. When you create an account and transfer your first $100, we'll both receive $50 in Groundfloor credit. What do you get with that? How do you get it? You open create an account, link your bank account, start investing. You put in 100, it turns into 150 plus. Really huge announcement that they had available LROs, which is their individual homes that you can invest in. For the third week in a row, all closing soon LROs have been fully funded. Act fast on the new LROs launching before they're fully funded. They're selling out, and it's a really cool thing. So I just want to do a quick case study on one that is brand new as of time of this recording. So this is in Alabama. It's paying out 13%. What is your investments paying you back on? Projected term of 15 months. So that is 13% times however long however long it actually takes for them to do this. So this house is not that pretty, but they're looking to purchase it and renovate it. So already 702 people have gotten into it. They're looking for 111,000. 79,000 is left. If I had if I had 5,000 I put into this today, so that's what they're looking for, and that's how much is remaining on this. So looking at it, where is the money in Groundfloor? So right now you can see that they purchased the property for 75,000. The after repair value is 160,000. This is the cushion. The cushion. This is where the profits live. Sometimes they have paid extra, more than what they promised, and that's really cool. Borrower experience. That's also another important thing I look at. This guy's got a lot of experience. What does it look like? He has used Groundfloor 14 times already. He's already had 7 loans repaid on payment time, 100%. So that is really cool to see. So that's something I definitely would put money in because it meets all of what I'm looking for. Really nice rate of return. Somebody with experience, good amount of cushion in there. and yeah, why not profit from it? So here's my referral link if you're interested in app.groundfloor.us/r/bank account bonus central 2024. So super happy to have that going on now. Been plugging Groundfloor, been loving what they have to offer, taking what they have to offer a lot seriously because there's some serious money to make. All right, second thing is I got approved for the Wells Fargo Signify Business Credit Card. So made a video on this card here. I opened up a $5,000 CD with the local credit union to me, and then I did $500 in funding with Christian Community Credit Union. So I have $5,500 on this. They only gave me a $6,000 limit. So I've yet to. They have a bonus tracker on their website. I have yet to see it move, which is kind of not cool. Hopefully, they're just really slow. But I have all the way until August 8th to spend 5,000 on here, which no big deal. There's multiple ways to spend money. All right, so I made a full video on this. Wells Fargo, Signify, brand new credit card from them, $500 sign up bonus plus you got to spend the 5,000, you get 2% back. Full video on this. Watch me apply. You know that I got it approved, so link to that video is there. I also got approved for the U.S. Bank Triple Cash card. This is my second Triple Cash card with them. I had an upgraded $600 sign up bonus. I originally got denied, which is why it's called fishing and not catching. I called the reconsideration number and said, "Hey, can you just move around limits like they do at Chase?" They applied. They approved me. I got a $9,000 limit, and I got two other cards. I have a leverage card and another triple cash card. I thought I could transfer all my limits as much as possible to this card, and then take advantage of their balance transfer offers, but denied. They don't move transfer limits, which is I didn't know that. So second reason this is called fishing and not catching, because not everything's as profitable as you hope it's going to be. It's still profitable, but the original link in the video is no longer working. It gives a 404 error. If you're interested in signing up for one of these cards with the enhanced offer, email me at tradingadventures@gmail.com, and I'll do my best to find you a working link. I was able to send friend of the channel, Jeff the Shrimp guy, a brand new link, and it did work. So link to that video here if you're interested in a U.S. Bank business credit card. Gonna have another U.S. Bank video coming up soon that's gonna be ridiculously profitable. So, all right. So speaking of increased credit card offerings, Chase Sapphire Preferred, Chase Sapphire Reserve, two of the best travel cards out there. Period. Paragraph. They increased their sign-up bonuses, which is really cool. Made a video on this, how to make an easy $1,125 with either Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve. So link to that video here. That's a limited time offer. Take advantage of what they have to offer. Love the Sapphire Reserve. That's the one I personally have. All right, speaking of Chase, they made an update to their $300 personal checking account bonus. So made a full video on that. So what is the difference in that? Take a look at here. If you haven't gotten a bonus from Chase for the personal checking in the last 2 years, you can take advantage of what they have to offer there. All right, another news. Citi gave us $300 300 reasons to open up a new checking account with what they call enhanced direct deposit. Enhanced direct deposit means literally just transfer money from anywhere, from Ally, from any account. Just transfer money from Venmo or PayPal. It doesn't matter. And I got approved for that. So, yay. So, Citibank made a new video on that $300 checking account bonus. Citi is kind of annoying because they have my old username and password on there, which I put in a new username, new password. I need to wait to get my actual debit card to be able to change the login because they keep your old login. But hey, that's what happens when you keep opening accounts, shutting them, and then opening them and shutting them because they literally pay you to do that. So that's a really cool thing. So Citibank, here is a link to this. If you haven't taken advantage of the $300 that Citibank's giving away, take advantage of it. Speaking of $300 bonuses, Moomoo only has about 2 weeks left on their $300 investment account bonus. Love what Moomoo has to offer. So this is available nationwide, expires 5/28/2024. So made a video on this Moomoo $300 investment account bonus nationwide offer. Link to that video is here. So I'm a high school math teacher. I'm about to go for summer for almost 2.5 months, which is really nice. And I like treating my direct deposit as its own side hustle. So I was looking at where I could send my next 2 to 3 months worth of direct deposits to. I applied for First Tech Federal Credit Union and made a video about it, and they sent me this $300 email. I love getting $300 emails from them or anybody else. Dear John, congratulations and welcome. You've joined a family of more than 700,000 members across the world that rely on First Tech Federal Credit Union to serve all their financial needs. Yay. So if they approve me, chances are they'll approve you. That means they're not too checks sensitive because my checks record looks like a phone directory for banks and credit unions all across the country. So that's where my summer direct deposits are going. I don't know if I have any more of these. If not, then the link to this video is going to be at the end. All right, so I also got approved for the first Horizon $400 business checking account bonus. There's two offerings, either a $400 one or an $800 one. I decided to go for the $400 one. So I did that, made a video about it. This is available to many states, so you can get up to $800 many states, no direct deposit, because it is a business checking account bonus. I don't think I have any more of these little tags up here. So the link to this video will be at the end. So this is still good to go. I did have to go and branch for that one. All right, so bank account bonus central verdict. Join me in getting paid for your direct deposit, to save, to invest. Well, I didn't make any. Well, for some of the ones you got to spend, you got to do debit card transactions. So that's technically getting paid to spend. So there is a lot of money to be made in 2024. This year has gotten off to an amazing start. Love it. I don't think I've been as excited about this fun and profitable game as in 2024. I am 7 years into this deep, and there's no shortage of profitable opportunities. So super excited about that. All right, today's question: what is a Christian? So some people call themselves Christians, but they're not sure if they are or not. So what a Christian is: John 10, one of my favorite scriptures. My sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. Well, in order to be a Christian, you got to be Christ's sheep. He's got to know you, and you got to be willing to follow him, no matter where he leads. And he gives eternal life, and they shall never perish, neither shall anyone snatch them out of my hand. My Father, who has given them to me, is greater than all, and no one's able to snatch them out of my Father's hand. I and my Father are one. So, what's a Christian? You count yourself as a sheep who you got to know his voice. He knows you. You follow him. You get eternal life, and you understand that Jesus and the Father are one, and nobody's able to snatch them out of their hands. So that's what a Christian is. Additional information on how to follow Jesus, link in the description box down below from Got Questions. If you're still here with me, if you like the video, if you like the new changes I made to the update videos, make it a little bit more personal, like the video, share it with anybody who would be able to benefit from it, subscribe with bell notifications so you can be amongst the first to learn about such profitable opportunities. Have a huge infinite loop update video coming up on Saturday. Looking forward to finishing up making that and sharing it with y'all. So look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace and God bless you.